Hi, this is Manish Pandey. In this video, we'll learn about the native functions. Blue Prism inbuilt functions are called Blue Prism native functions. So, we'll start learning all these functions. First, we'll start with conversion. We'll work with all the conversion function. We are going to use this Excel file and we'll start from here so that we can get data from Excel and then we can take the data from that Excel and then we can apply conversion function. Now here you can see we have these functions. So in this video you will learn conversion function. So we have ToDate function, ToDateTime, 2 days, 2 hours, 2 minutes, 2 number, 2 seconds, 2 time. Let me set next stage to this start and then step over. Now we have this data in this collection. You can see we have 5 records. Now we are going to start with the conversion. So first we'll see ToDate function. ToDate function converts a text value to date. So here in the expression of this ToDate decision stage, we have orders underscore call dot order date. In this collection we have this order date, which this is the fill name where we want to get the date, and then less than today. So we are going to check is this date is less than today. Now click on next. So here we are getting this error message that is can't compare text. So we are not able to compare the text. So the date that we are getting here, if you can see here in the collection in the current value, this is the date that we are getting in this text data type. If you see here, we have passed the data in this Excel file in this format 01-01-2022, and this is a date format. But while getting this data into the collection, we are getting in this way, and this is storing in the text data type. Here we are trying to check that this date is less than today. If yes, it should go next. If no, it should go to this note. Now this is throwing an error. So how can we fix that? So to fix this type of issue, we have a function called ToDate. So we'll double click on this, and now here we have to convert this value to date. So we'll write here ToDate and then open bracket, and then here you can put a close bracket. Now this ToDate will convert this value, this text value, to date. Now one more thing you need to always remember, whenever you are going to apply a function, type here manually. I know that you can just go and you can click on this ToDate, you can put the text value and then you can paste. So what will happen, you will not able to remember that, like you will be used to do in the same way. You will just go and click on find those functions which is required, and then you will click on that, put the value and paste. But what happens if you are applying for a certificate exam, they can also give you the option to put the function name manually. You need to type that function name manually. So here you need to also remember that this is case sensitive. So if you are going to put in this way, that will not work. You can see here, if I am going to validate, it says that undefined function. So it means if you are typing here, so you will able to remember that. So put here like this, T in the caps, O in the small letter, again D in the caps, and then other will be in the small. And then now if you click on validate, it says that expression is valid. Now click OK. If you click on a step, and you can see now we are going to next. It means this date is less than today. Let me put here greater than. So is this date is greater than today, so it will go to this side. Set next stage, and now it's going to know. So by this way we can convert a text value to a date. Now we'll talk about ToDateTime. In this main page, in this order collection, we have this date which is order date, and now you can see this order date that we have is in the date type format, and this is a text value, so it has stored this value in a text, but this is a date time. Let me put some value here, so let's say 10. Let me click OK. So now we have date. Now if we'll go to this conversion, right click, set next stage. Now here if we'll click on a step, we are getting an error that says that can't compare text. Why we are not able to compare? Because we have this date that is coming in the text data type, so we are not able to compare this text data type with the date, so here is not able to convert. So what we can do, so to overcome this issue, we need to convert this to date time, then we'll able to check this here. So what we can do, you need to put here to date and then time, open, and here you can put close bracket. You can see this is our second function of this conversion, to date time. This is used to convert a text value to a date time. So here it will convert this value to date time. Now click OK, and now step. So once you click on step, now you can see here it's going to next stage. It means this worked fine. So yes, this is less than today, because the current date and time is 1/1/2022. So yes, this is previous than today's date time.